last element for the formation of a valid binding contract, that is free consent. Kerelaan bebas. Free consent is required in order to form a valid binding contract. Otherwise, the agreement is not a contract. Why free consent is necessary? Why it is required in order to form a valid binding contract? This is because by virtue of Section 10 Clause 1 of the Contracts Act 1950, which provides all agreements are contracts if they are made by free consent of parties. Here, by virtue of this provision, it means that an agreement, in order to become a valid binding contract, must be made by parties entering it with free consent. So, here it means that the free consent is required. The element of free consent is necessary in order to form a valid binding contract.